Good data can be hard to come by in the laundromat industry. That's why the pros turn to Coin Laundry Association. Over the last 25 years, the association has done regular, reliable annual surveys to give you the information you need to guide your business toward more profitability. Only from Coin Laundry Association can you get annual numbers on critical key points: gross profitability, gross revenues, square footage of stores, revenue per square foot, even expense ratios. How much are you spending on rent? How much is the average store spending on utilities and labor? It's so important to have that information on hand. Even more, we've got information on payment systems, who's using quarters, who's using card systems, who's adopting mobile payments. So if you really want to get a snapshot of our industry at any one given time, you really need to turn to the Coin Laundry Association's annual survey. So whether you're new to the business and you're trying to put together your business plan, or whether you're a veteran who's trying to find out what you need to do next to take your business to the next level, start with the benchmarking data from Coin Laundry Association. It'll serve you well, and it's really the only place that you can put your hands on this information. So please go to coinlaundry.org, look up our surveys, and start getting that information in your hands today.